I am a pen checker at Eck Industries. We check parts under a UV lamp to check for any defects that would cause the casting to fail. Before this job, I have never been in a casting facility. I was in fast food and I decided to take the industry route. I thought it was interesting and I thought it would be a good job for me to start in, and I ended up actually really liking it. I would tell a young person, college isn't always the right choice for everybody, but that's for you to decide. As a woman in a factory setting, I do feel supported here. Eck Industries is a great company to work for. I think that they have always had my best interest in their minds. I also think that women should try it out more, and it's okay to be in a factory or do work that you don't think that you could do. Sometimes it might surprise you how much you like it. At the end of the day, it could be also a learning situation.